That's right. In fact, she even says to him at one point, are you still asking about that, about the meeting in East London?
Thank you, Ms. Vetten. I appreciate your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you. Just as a general statement, I've had an advert about some of these things which says, a no is a no. What is it that you don't understand about no? Mm-hmm. You are aware of that advert?
Which part of no don't you understand? Yeah.
Yeah, so that's right. So the starting point, I'm sure, should be where it's clear a no is a no. Isn't that the starting point?
Yes.
Conversely, the starting point should be a yes is a yes.
Yes.
And nobody should second guess a woman when she says no, and nobody should second guess a woman when she says yes.
Exactly. I think that the point about...
Sorry.
Oh, so sorry.
Just answer me first. What is your answer?
The yes, you need to look at the context, and I think sometimes the no as well. But that would be your starting point, is that you take...
Who thinks they've got the right to second guess a woman when she says no? And who has got the right to think they must second guess a woman when she says yes? Who has got that right?
Well, I think when you are, I'm going to say it in the context of violence, is again the question of...
Sorry, do you find it difficult to answer that question?
All right, put it to me again then.
Hmm?
Do you want to put it to me again then?
No, I'm saying, maybe I should rephrase it. Does anybody has got the right to second guess a no? Does anybody has got the right to second guess a yes?
No.
Well, you answered my question. Do you want... I'm satisfied with your answer. You want to elaborate? I thought it was a simple thing.
Yeah. If I may elaborate, but I mean maybe that's unnecessary.
Sorry?
If I may elaborate, but maybe that is unnecessary.
Well, unless you want to change the no and change the yes.
No.
If you are not going to change that, then it's not necessary as far as I'm concerned, because I just asked a simple question. Actually, Mrs. Vetten, is it not precisely because we have got problems, precisely because people think they can second guess a no, and simply because people think they can second guess a yes? Isn't that precisely the point?
That is the point, or that
Yes.
they can infer yes from conduct when they shouldn't always do that.
Well,
like
no,
short skirts.
Anyway, I wasn't talking about conduct.
Yeah.
I was talking about a yes.
Stated
and a
verbal,
no.
yes.
Nobody should second guess any woman, because the starting point there is the adult. They know what they want, and nobody should try to second guess their decision. They must respect it. And no is a no, a yes is a yes.
Correct.
Thank you. I don't know if somebody wants to ask questions about whether a woman's no should be respected or a woman's yes should be respected. I don't know if there's anyone who wants to answer a question about that. Ask a question.
None, thank you, Chair.
Thank you.